everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a sort of story time and a giveaway. The giveaway is to celebrate my 3-year anniversary on YouTube. I do explain in the video that I do have a new lighting setup, so that video that I have just filmed was kind of a test of that. So I have just changed the light setting to be slightly brighter. I do think that I look slightly yellow on the actual video footage itself, but I don't want to refilm that, so I'm just inserting this clip at the beginning in the hope that this lighting is right. And then, apologies for this video, I'm going to be yellow, but I now know which setting to put it on for my future videos. So here is me from 10 minutes ago. This week celebrates my 3rd year here on YouTube. It is, I believe, the 24th of September 2017 that I uploaded my first video, and now here we are 3 years later. And I had completely forgotten that it was coming up to my anniversary until I seen a recent video of Things by the Beck, where she also said it was her 3-year anniversary in September, so that did remind me, otherwise I probably would have forgotten. On the previous couple of years I have done a giveaway to celebrate my anniversary, so I thought this year should be no different. So if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I will go through all the prizes up for grabs, also how to enter this giveaway. I was intending to tag this giveaway onto another kind of video, but because of the sort of day that I've had, I thought I'd just do a sort of mini story time before doing the giveaway, because let's be honest, most people are probably going to skip that bit, but it'll probably make me feel better getting it off my chest. So today has definitely been a day. I woke up this morning feeling pretty lousy, had a really runny nose and just felt generally and I then got a shock when I looked in the mirror and my eyelids had all swollen. At the point I'm now sitting down to film this, I have been quite scared to put eyeshadow on, so I haven't risked it just yet. I have just put mascara on to see how it goes for the sort of next 10 or 15 minutes while I film this video. But compared to this morning, they are so much better than they were. I thought they looked okay, but I have just took my thumbnail and looking at it you can see, and I don't know if eyeshadow is just going to kind of accentuate that, so we will see how we go. Also, as you can see, I've had a haircut today. This is my first haircut since last year, I believe. I do only ever get my hair cut twice a year, usually at Christmas and then usually at my birthday around about July. But I believe last year, I think I got it cut around October, November time because we were going to a wedding, and then I was due to get it cut around Easter. But obviously that didn't happen because at that point we were in lockdown and the hair salons were shut. So I've only just managed to get an appointment to get my hair cut. So because of that, I had always intended to get my hair cut today, and because I'm not going anywhere anymore, I'm not going on nights out and things, I thought perfect, I will sit down and get a load of videos filmed. So then obviously when I've woken up this morning and seen swollen eyes, I thought this doesn't bode well for how the rest of my day is going to go. My intentions are to try and film a few videos if I can. I'm hoping to film maybe 3 or 4 in this sitting, but I say I'm going to watch this footage back first before I make that decision, because I say I have had my hair done. It would be a shame to kind of waste it and just sit around the house doing nothing. My eyes do feel better, but I think they are still puffy, so I say I don't know about eyeshadow application, but I also don't feel 100% comfortable having no eyeshadow. Another thing that made my day fun is last week I bought a new ring light setup for filming my videos. I did used to have a small ring light which was just on an arm that I kind of attached to a wardrobe door. I've now purchased a tripod with a ring light on top of it. It's not the most sturdy of things, if I'm honest, and I don't know if you're quite high enough. I don't know if I need to put it on top of something which is going to make it even less sturdy. So again, another thing of once I watch this video back, I'm going to see if I need to get my other light out to film the rest of my videos. I also don't know if I've put it too close to me. Kind of could have done without all this messing today. So yeah, I've had a bit of a rubbish day so far. I'm hoping filming videos or trying to film videos will put me in a better mood. That's why I thought I would start with this video, because giveaways always make me feel a bit better. I really like kind of giving back to subscribers and people who watch and follow my channel. So why don't I get to the bit that most of you are probably here to watch. Just as a caveat at the beginning of this, I did say at the end of my last giveaway, anyone who did subscribe to my channel just to enter the giveaway and then unsubscribed afterwards, you will be disqualified from this giveaway and any future giveaways on my channel. It has happened in the past, so I just feel like I need to say it and get it out of the way. So first of all, I will show you the prizes that are up for grabs, and then I'll give you the full details of how to enter the giveaway. The first thing we have is this product from The Ordinary. This is the salicylic acid 2% mask. Then we have this, the highlighter from Essence, and this is in the shade Hypnotic. Then we have the blush from Essence, and this one is in the shade Befitting. Then we have a pink hair and scalp mud mask from ESPA. A lipstick from Wet n Wild in the shade Blushing Barley. A mascara from Wet n Wild, and this is the Mega Protein Waterproof Mascara. A lip liner from MUA Makeup Academy, and this one is in the shade Diva. From Jekka Black we have these glow drops. We have an eyeliner from MUA Makeup Academy, and this one is in the shade Ocean and is a gorgeous blue shade. We have an eyeshadow from MUA Makeup Academy, and this one is in the shade Pearl. Then we have a mascara from Ico London. This is the Sport Waterproof Mascara. Then we have a liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty, and this is in the shade Heartbreaker. And then a lip strobe from Huda Beauty in the shade Shameless. Then we have a mini of the Tarte Manita eyeliner. This is my all-time favourite liquid eyeliner. Then we have the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Long Lasting Tint. This one is in the shade Medium Brown. Then we have a sample of the Guerlain Paris La Essential Natural Glow Foundation, and this one is in the shade 03N Natural. Sample of the Ren Perfect Canvas. A Aloha bronzer from the brand Give Them Lala. And then finally this Mystic Petals eyeshadow palette from NYX. Those are the products available for this giveaway. The rules will be simple as with my previous giveaways. You must of course be a subscriber to my channel. I do ask that you like and comment on this video. There will also be a link in the description box below which will take you to a generator for you to put your details in so that I have a way to contact you should you win. I do ask that all entrants are over the age of 18 or that they have the permission of a parent or guardian. If not, because you will be giving your address to a stranger on the internet. Please make sure that you do have that permission if you are not over the age of 18. There will also be some bonus entries in the generator as well. I believe that is all the usual rules that I do state, but I will confirm the rules in the description box below as well, just to make sure that I haven't missed anything. Can't believe that I've actually been doing YouTube for 3 years at this point. I did think when I initially started this that I might keep it up for 6 months to a year, so I can't actually believe that 3 years later and I'm still going. I am still really enjoying doing this and it is just so much fun, and maybe here's to another year. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks!